Hello everyone. As a part of the video series on basic geometrical ideas, we will solve today a few practice sums on basic shapes. Let's solve the first one. Name following geometrical shapes with appropriate notations. Any two rays. Now we know ray starts at a point and then extends on the other side indefinitely. So we can call EB as the ray. We also remember that in naming of a ray, the first point has to be the start point, which is E, and it is denoted by an arrow pointing right. So EB is one ray. Then we can also say EA is one ray. We can also say EF is a ray, and so on. EF, ED, these are all rays. They start at a point and then they extend on other side indefinitely. Then let's talk about lines. Now lines, as we know, they extend on both sides indefinitely. So here we have this one line and this another line. We have two lines here. Now this line can be named with any 2 points on the line. And denoted by a line with 2 arrows on top of it. So we can call the other line is AG, and we can name these two lines in different ways. We can call this line AG, we can call EA or AE or GA or GE. We can use any 2 points on the line in any sequence. That is very important. So that's about two lines. Then line segments. Line segment is a shortest distance join between 2 points. Any 2 points I can take. So for example, DC or CD I can use DE, ED, FE, EF, EG, EA or EB. I can call all these line segments, and as we know, in line segments the naming, the letters can exchange the positions. So let's write a few of them. And to denote line segment, we just give a bar without any arrows. And the last one, intersecting point. Intersecting point where two lines cross each other. So if you see these two lines, AG and CF, they are crossing at point E. So point E is our intersecting point. And point is denoted by the capital letter, point E. Let's do the second one. Use the figure to name a line containing point E, line passing through A, line on which point O lies, and two pairs of intersecting lines. So a line containing point E. We can see here this point E, FE is one line which contains point E, and even AE is another line which contains point E. And so the first one we are going to answer as the second one, line passing through point A. Line passing through point A. So A is not intersecting point. That means in this case, there is only one line which is AB, AD or AE which passes through point A. The third one, line on which point O lies. So we see this is a line on which this point O is lying. So we'll call it line BC, let's say. And the fourth one is two pairs of intersecting line, two pairs. So here B is an intersecting point. So BC and AD, these lines pass through that. And the second pair is EF and AE. We have two pairs of intersecting lines. So do you think CO and FE are intersecting line? Yes, they are going to meet somewhere down here. So even these two lines are also intersecting line. Though in this figure we don't see their intersecting point, but these two are also intersecting lines. So let's write them also. Let's solve the next one. In each of the following, draw a rough figure and label elements suitably. The first one, point P lies on line segment AB. So to draw line segment AB, we need endpoint. So we need endpoint here called A, and then we need endpoint here, let's say called B. And line segment is the join which is shortest distance, a shortest distance join. So this is line segment AB, and point P lies on the line segment. So let's say point P lies somewhere here. Okay, so that is point P. So that is our first one, which is point P lies on line segment AB. The second one, let's do the second one. Line L, the small l, contains E and F but not D. So I'll draw a line L. Line is always indicated using two arrows at the end. And this is line L, and it contains point E and F. So E somewhere here, let's say, F somewhere here, but not D. So the D point is outside the line, not on the line. That's our figure. The third one is line XY and line PQ intersect at point M. So let's draw two lines. So this is, let's say, line XY, and this is line PQ. So let's give the points PQ here, X, Y here, and they intersect at point M. So this is my point M. And the last one, line OP and line OQ meet at O. So let's draw two lines. So let's say this is line OP, this is line OQ, but it meets at O. So the intersecting point is O. So this is O, and let's say this is my P and this is my Q. So line OP and line OQ, and they meet at point O. How many lines can pass through A, one given point, B, two given points? So let's take a point. So I have a point, let's say I call it P. Now I can draw this line through P. I can draw this line through P. I can draw one more line through P. I can continue to draw many lines through point P. So the answer for my A is I can draw infinite lines through point P, as many as I want. Let's take 2 points. Let's call them point L and M. Let's draw one line. I have drawn one line, so let me draw from here. No, if I draw a line, then it goes down. If I draw from here, it goes up. It doesn't go through M. Only if I draw like this, it goes through M, which means in two given points, I can draw only one line. So I can draw one and only one line passing through two given points. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comments section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.